Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Remove Moles Without Scar. Secret Dermatologist Breakthrough Transforms Skin Forever. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing that annoying mole that's bothered you for years, just gone. No scar, no daily reminder. Sounds too good to be true? Well, honey, let me tell you, the future is here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I've seen countless patients walk into my office, touching that spot on their face or body where a mole has been their unwanted accessory for years. And the question I always get, but Angela, won't there be a scar? Oh, sweetie, let me spill the tea on this one. First, let's talk about why traditional mole removal methods often leave scars. Picture this. Old school techniques were basically like taking a tiny cookie cutter to your skin. Seriously, I can't make this stuff up. They'd cut deep, creating trauma that your skin had to work overtime to heal. And just like that bad breakup from college, it left a mark. The psychological impact? Don't even get me started. I've had clients who ended up more self-conscious about their scar than they ever were about their mole. But here's where it gets exciting. Modern techniques have completely revolutionized mole removal. We're talking advanced laser technology that's so precise, it makes a surgeon's steady hand look like a toddler with a crayon. At our practice, we've mastered these cutting-edge approaches that treat your skin like the precious gem it is. Call us at 212-799-1411, and we'll show you exactly what I mean. Let me tell you about Sarah, a professional photographer who came to us last year. She had this mole right on her cheekbone that showed up in every selfie. And trust me, as a photographer, she took plenty. She was terrified of trading her mole for a scar, especially in her line of work. Well, after one visit to our office, that mole became history, and not a scar in sight. Now she's booking more clients than ever and finally feeling confident in front of her own camera. What can you expect during and after treatment? Minimal downtime. We're talking grab a coffee and go back to your life kind of easy. The natural healing process is like watching a flower bloom. Gentle, gradual, and absolutely beautiful. And the long-term results? Perfection. You know what really gets me excited? Seeing the look on someone's face when they realize they don't have to live with something that's bothering them anymore. Whether it's that mole that's been photobombing your pictures since high school, or the one that snags your favorite sweater, there's a solution that won't leave you playing hide and seek with a scar. Here's the truth bomb. Don't let fear of scarring hold you back another day. Call 212-799-1411 and schedule a consultation. We'll show you exactly how we can remove those unwanted moles safely and effectively. Your future self will be sending you thank you notes. Trust me on this one. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.